Adaira and I'm a clean beauty blogger. Today I'm going to show you guys how I style my hair using the Nuele hair serum. It's a hair oil that's made out of 5 oils and they are completely toxic free and safe to use. The thing I love about this hair serum, it doesn't leave your hair feeling oily at all. Because the oils are concentrated, they go straight into the hair follicle and give your hair just what it needs. It leaves the hair feeling very soft and it is so easy to style and manage. And plus, it's a hair heat protectant. So you're getting a lot out of this hair oil, and I'm gonna show you guys how I style my natural curls. Okay, so I just took a shower and my hair is about pretty damp slash wet. I have some moisture in there, and I have found that the oil does better when your hair is wet, just because I feel like it soaks it all up. And the other great thing about this serum is that it does not make the hair really oily, and you do not need a lot. So that's why I want to show you, you literally just need the smallest amount because this is so concentrated and your hair just soaks it right up. With other hair oils, I have noticed that my hair gets really oily and it feels like it's coating the hair rather than getting absorbed into the hair. So that's what I really enjoy about this. And yeah, let me show you guys how I kind of style my natural curls. So I'm just going to start with one. And then what I like to do is I like to rub this into my palm, work it in, and I'm going to go ahead and just kind of massage it into the hair. And you're actually going to want to start lower and then work your way up. And I just kind of massage. And I'm going to have the diffuser off and then kind of crunch it into the diffuser, bring it in close to the root and then turn it on. You can start with low and then go to high. So I'm going to just take probably 1 drop of this hair serum and just touch up and define the rest of these curls. So I just put 1 drop. I'm going to warm it up and throughout my hands. And then what I'm going to do is just slowly brush this throughout the hair very carefully because I don't want to mess up the curls, but I do want the oil to kind of soak in wherever it needs to go. Alright guys, this is the end of the curly hair natural way to style it. It all depends on how you like to style your hair. I hope you found this helpful. But I definitely recommend this hair serum. It has brought a lot more life to my curls and made my hair a lot more soft and easier to manage because it's not as frizzy and dry and coarse. So you get a lot from this hair oil. It's a detangler, it brings moisture and manages frizz, and it's a heat protectant, and it has safe ingredients. So I just love that it doesn't make the hair super oily at all. You can see we did about 3.5 drops, and this is what I got from doing that.